Morning, Mum.
Daphne? What would you like for breakfast?
Toast and jam.
Oh, sorry. Bread's in the drawer and jam's in the icebox. You can get it.
Mum.
You've got legs, you can do it. I'm just trying to read my paper.
There's no more jam.
We just bought some last Saturday.
Well, it's not there.
Do everything myself.
Oh, Mother.
I don't know where it is. I guess you can't have German food. What else do you want?
I guess I'll just have some cold cereal.
Fine, it's in the cupboard.
So, Mum, the maid told me that there was ghosts in the attic.
Son, pack your bags.
Why?
We don't have a maid.
Mummy, wait! I forgot my favourite jumper!
Where is it?
In the attic.